Good afternoon, everybody. Stephen from Break Free Homestead. Today we are transitioning our seedlings out of the trays into these fiber pots, which are going to give it more room to grow, more room for the roots to expand before we get them in the ground. If you would consider dropping down below, hitting a subscribe button, bell notifications for new videos every Friday. This is our first set of seedlings that we've done this year. Click here to see that video. They're not looking too bad. Some better than others. And we're not pros, so I'm happy with it. So we got about half of our veggies from the 2 trays into this container. It's used for mixing concrete and it works perfectly for these. So this is 1 tray. It definitely multiplies. And I ran out of hex or the fiber cups. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick some more up and then we'll transplant these 2. Last year we used these fiber cups and we put them directly into our greenhouse, and then when it warmed up they dry out pretty quick when the plant starts growing to a decent size. So what I recommend is having it in some type of tray. That way you can have some water in the bottom and it can soak up the water from outside of the container, just so it doesn't dry out too fast. What's up, Monster? What do you got?
Bar.
Huh, bar?
Yes.
What flavor?
Yes.
What flavor?
Yes.
Strawberry?
Yeah.
Everything's growing pretty good except the strawberries. They are freaking small. But we're not losing hope. We still transplanted them and obviously they just won't go outside as early. We're gonna put these back inside under some artificial light for now, and then we'll get them transferred into the greenhouse next week, and hopefully not long after that we will get the garden tilled and we'll get them in the ground. Make sure you drop down below, hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications so you can get alerted. That way you'll get notified when we get that greenhouse video up.